Hi everyone, this is Lara Hammock from the Marble Jar channel, and in today's video I'll tell you why I keep a spreadsheet for batteries and for light bulbs. So I used to be terrible about changing out light bulbs that burnt out in my house. I'd have to haul out the ladder, and let's be honest, chances are I'd probably not have the right bulb in stock. So I'm going to get all the way up on the ladder, unscrew the fixture, and find that I don't have that particular bulb on hand. So then I either have to screw the fixture back in and put the ladder away, and then wait until I go shopping to get the right bulb, or the more likely option is that I just leave the whole thing undone with the ladder there for a week or two before I get the right bulb. Well, no more. Now I have a light bulb spreadsheet. So I started the spreadsheet the day that I had to change out something like 7 light bulbs, which shows you how I procrastinate. I brought out my stock of light bulbs, which was this sort of random hodgepodge of bulbs, and I set about changing them. By the time I got to the 3rd bulb that I couldn't change since I didn't have the right materials, I was done with this old system of mine. So my spreadsheet is simple and it looks like this. My columns are as follows: floor of the house, room, fixture, number of bulbs, type, dimmer required, watt, voltage, description, and a link to the website where I can order them. So let's just take an example. I need to change one of the recessed light bulbs in my kitchen. It's on the 1st floor of my house. In the kitchen, I put recessed lights under fixture. In this case, I'm lumping all of them together into one fixture. There are 8 bulbs. The type is indoor flood. They have to work on a dimmer switch. They are 65 watt, 120 volts. And here is the link to the Amazon page where I buy these in bulk. So I have found that I can buy them from Amazon Prime and have them delivered in a couple of days, and they aren't any more expensive than from the local hardware store if I buy them in bulk. So I didn't have practically any of the bulbs that I needed that very first day, but I put them on my spreadsheet, I ordered more than I needed, and a couple of days later, I was able to finish that project. Now, I suppose if you were super motivated, you could go around your house and fill in the spreadsheet with every light fixture in every room, but I really don't think that's necessary. I just add them as they burn out, but I always get more bulbs than I need so that I have a supply built up. I have some oddball light bulbs, but the vast majority are normal bulbs and indoor floods. So now, almost every time I have a burnout bulb, I have one at the ready to replace it. And the bonus is that I can consult my spreadsheet and be ready with the bulbs before I climb up on the ladder to replace it. The second tab on my spreadsheet is for batteries. So I only record the oddball batteries on this. I keep large supplies of AA and AAA batteries from Costco. If the device takes either of those batteries, I just don't even bother to write it down since I always have those in stock. If it requires something different, I record it and I get a couple of extra for my battery box, so I'm gonna have those on hand the next time I need to replace them. And that's it. Let me know what you think. Comments are always appreciated, and thanks for watching.